press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this fresh dewy makeup look which is perfect for summers. So without any further delay, let's just get right into the video. That's it for the video guys. I hope you liked today's video. Do let us know in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, I have a little surprise for you. All you need to do is join the MyGlamm Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link to join is in the description box below. And for more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!